A society that I painted. A world that we painted. A dream everyone painted. Technology enabling happiness to come around. The strength of green is found within. Green moves the world. Taiyo Ink Korea. Taiyo Ink Korea, which has contributed to the development of global electronics industry through material business, is a member of Taiyo Group and has Taiyo Holdings as its headquarters. Taiyo Holdings was founded on September 29, 1953, and has grown into a global enterprise with its main business in development, manufacturing, and sales of solder resist for PWB. It has the head office in Ikebukuro, Tokyo now, and it is the holding company that undertakes the role of business management and establishment of overall business policies for group companies established throughout the world. In addition, with the solder resist as the main business, the company continuously grows with business of incidental materials for electronic devices, medical and drug business, energy business, raw material, and system business affiliated companies. On the basis of its high-caliber technology, Taiyo Group responds quickly for customers and expands business opportunities through global network, including Japan, Korea, China, Taiwan, US, and others. Taiyo Ink Korea, the hub of production and sales for Taiyo Group in Korea, has the main business of development, manufacturing, and sales of solder resist. In addition to solder resist, the company leads the market through the continuous release of new products such as inkjet materials, dry films, and display-related materials. In particular, the company maintains 60% of domestic market share rate for the PWB solder resist in Korea and has been the dominating force with its highest quality and top-notch technology service. In addition, the company expands its business territory to the solar energy generation field with the goal of 100% power generation for the company's required energy. Taiyo Ink Korea was established with the technology affiliation and joint venture investment between Pacific Group and Taiyo Ink Japan on September 1, 1988. From 1993, the company began to export the products in full scale to the Southeast Asia, China, and European territories. And in 1994, it established Annex Research Institutes of the company. In 1998, the company resolved a joint venture with Pacific Group. The company was awarded with the Presidential Commendation for Diligent Tax Report in 2002, 2005, and 2011. The company commenced the production of paste for PDP for the first time in Korea in 2006 and accomplished to win the Tower of Export for $100 million on the Day of Trade in 2008. Furthermore, in addition to selling the existing products, the company developed inkjet marketing ink in 2012 and DFSR for camera module in 2015. And it spun off the solder resist for semiconductor package panel in order to strengthen the business capability in 2016. And the company has expanded its business into diverse fields with the completion of solar energy power plant and development of spacer for lens module in 2018, as well as commencement of warehousing business in 2019. 2019 mass production of white DFSR for Apple iPads and MacBooks. 2020 completed and launched operations of the second solar power plant in Seosan. From 2020 to 2024, the company was consecutively selected as a youth-friendly strong company, officially recognized by the government for providing a desirable working environment and growth potential for young employees. 2023 received the Korea Excellent Patent Award. 2024 completed and began operation of the third solar power plant in Gyeongsan. In the same year, the company initiated mass production of inkjet etching ink for circuit formation, paving the way for commercialization of advanced electronic material technologies and laying the foundation for future electronics industries. The main product of Taiyo Ink Korea is the green-colored ink. It is the solder resist that has approximately 60% of domestic market share rate. What is the solder resist that is required in electronic products of mobile phone, PC, and the like? The solder resist is a coating material to insulate and protect the circuit pattern of the printed wiring board. The printed wiring board that operates the system through the precise circuits by loading the electronic components is PWB. The solder resist, as the main product of Taiyo Ink Korea, is the ink indispensable for the PWB, and it is the ink with the function to insulate and protect the circuit pattern by covering up the PWB surface. The solder resist ink is an indispensable material for completion of electronic products, and it is used in all electronic devices that we encounter in ordinary living situations. The manufacturing process of Taiyo Ink Korea that has the highest priority in worker safety is provided to customers through the following stringent process. Once the raw material is warehoused, it is kept for 24-hour constant temperature and constant humidity, and only the raw materials past the stringent quality test can be used. The process of manufacturing the ink is consisted of weighing, mixing, grinding, and packaging. During weighing process, a fixed and exact quantity of raw materials is injected accordance with the characteristics of product. For preventing any error, the barcode system is operated. For the mixing process, various stirring equipment is used for mixture. The grinding process is done in the clean room facilities, and it helps raw materials dispersed consistently by using roll mill, bid mill, and so forth. Through the packaging process, a fixed quantity of ink is put into the container by using the facilities to remove foreign substances and prevent mixed entry of it. For all packaged products, stringent quality test is implemented in 10 categories of printability, adhesion, hardness, chemical resistance, heat resistance, and so forth. The packaged products are kept in the warehouse with 24-hour constant temperature condition. Also, through the global network of the Taiyo Group, we continuously monitor both domestic and international regulations as well as customer requirements. From the initial stage of raw material procurement, we conduct thorough safety assessments, and through regular product analysis, we ensure the delivery of safe and reliable products to our customers. For Taiyo Ink Korea, technology development is the most imperative task. PWB is continuously advanced with the trend of thinner, lighter, and slimmer product. So for our products, the company is also working hard on continuous product development to realize diverse functions. Through this ceaseless R&D, the company has acquired a number of patents, including the basic patents of alkaline development type solder resist. In addition, through the steadfast development of dry film for camera modules, white tri-film for mini LEDs, inkjet etching ink for circuit formation, inkjet solder resist, and molding materials for micro LEDs, the company is committed to generating new business opportunities to facilitate our technologies. To enhance the health care of our employees, we operate a variety of wellness programs such as walking challenges, marathon participation, chronic disease risk management, and in-house table tennis tournaments. As part of these efforts, we run an on-site fitness center equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, enabling our members to manage their physical fitness at any time. Through these initiatives, we are creating a vibrant workplace where healthy energy leads to innovative technological achievements. On the basis of absolute advantages in the solder resist market, Taiyo Ink Korea is committed to generating new businesses in 5G, micro LED, automotive, robot, and new recycling energy fields continuously. Until the drawing that we painted becomes the drawing for you, the dream of green will not stop. Green moves the world. Taiyo Ink Korea.